Hi, I have a Samsung Galaxy S3 Android version 4.4.2, and I'm going to show you how you can use custom ringtones as your S Planner notifications. So what you do is you go into your phone, you click on your Play Store, and you download Zedge. Zedge would be the application that'll allow you to do this, and that's Zedge. So you download Zedge, and then you go into the app. You go to ringtones. You find a ringtone you like and click on it.
Fuck that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Okay, so let's say you want it. You click on it, then you click download. After you click download, it's going to download it. And then just exit right out of it. After you exit out of it, then go into your S Planner, which would be that little icon right there. So click on it, and then open it. And then click on the left-hand side on the little corner. It's going to pop up. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, go down to Select Ringtone. And then that'll bring you right into Zedge. So once you go to Zedge, find whatever ringtone it is that you want. Mine's Moment for Life. And then right down at the bottom, you can click on Set Ringtone. But first you have to click on it to select it. And then select Ringtone. And then done. And then that's how you select a custom ringtone as your notification for your wonderful little S Planner. Okay, thank you. Bye.